Hey guys, it's Joe B and I'm here with the Mach 1. I wanted to clue you in what I've been up to. I drove the car from Los Angeles to Las Vegas and it made it fine. But when I got here, the power steering fluid had all leaked out. Now I got to figure out exactly where that's coming from, but of course it's coming from the Bendix system or the pump itself. So I had on my Christmas list wanted to get myself the Borgeson steering unit, so I did. I got it from CJ Pony. I'll post the links. But it all came in this nice box, which looks to be about 18 inches cubed. It's just a cube of about, looks like 18 inches. Inside, it had, this is for the 351. 351W and C are very similar, but the C is a little different. So there's the actual steering box. And this one has the Saginaw pump. See, 289, 302, 351. That's the actual pump. It comes with the bolts and stuff in there. Then they gave me the two pressure cables. They gave me a new rag joint. Now for the Cleveland, the bracket isn't going to work, so I got this. This is a bracket that can fit for the Cleveland engine. I'll post the link for it, but this is a special bracket that will allow it to bolt up and mate up to the Cleveland engine. And it's a little different size than the Windsor. So I just wanted to give you a quick go over of all the parts here that I got for the 351 Cleveland for the 70 Mach 1. This is the Borgeson steering. I can't guarantee when I'm going to install it, but I wanted to show you guys the parts that I picked up, the box it came in, you know, the nice unboxing video of all the goodies. And there's the car it's going to go in, which currently has the stock system. I had the stock system rebuilt. Everything was fine, but there must be a loose pressure cable, or maybe the power steering pump is freaking out, but this is what we're going to do to resolve it. So this is Joe B, about to tackle the project. We'll let you know how it goes real soon. Thanks a lot.